Man versus Claw.
Alright, what's up guys? We're at Dave & Buster's today, playing the claw machine of course. This panther should be pretty easy. I might even be able to get it with like a 2-in-1 hopefully. But besides that, it looks pretty easy, so of course we're gonna go for it. Ooh, that should have him. Oh, 2-in-1, no way. Oh, 2-to-1, first try. Did we get him? Nice, first try. Oh no. Pierce the stuffed animal. It has stuffed animal blood on it. Ooh, oh no, stay. 2 in a row. Come on. Yes, barely. Nice. Hopefully it doesn't spin much. Ooh, perfect spin. That's gotta happen. Yes, stay. This could be a 3 in a row. 3 in a row. Nice. I don't think he'll be falling out of the claw. Perfect spin. Oh no, it hit the bat. Ooh, is it gonna stay? Oh, yes, 4 in a row. Come on, make it. Ooh, he's about to slip. Oh, Hoofta. All right. We got 4 in a row. All right. Ooh, that might have it. Yes, stay. Oh, don't drop. Oh my gosh. I think it's 5 in a row. I lost count. Yep, 5 in a row. 5 in a row. Definitely recommend Dave & Buster's because they're not rigged. But, come on. Ooh, no. Oh, no. Is it gonna drop? Don't drop. Yes. No way. 6 in a row. 6 in a row. Wow. Uh-oh. Ooh, no, I think I missed him. No way. Oh, no. But anyways, I got 6 in a row. That was still pretty cool. I should have it. Ooh, it slips out. Wow, now that's an overbite. Really grips hard. Ooh, that might have it. Oh, 2-in-1. Oh, I got the fish. Will it stay? Oh my gosh, it does. Nice, got the pink fish. Sweet. I want to see if I can try to hook him. Spin the right way. Ooh, maybe. That might have him. Oh, by the shirt. Oh, he's gettable now. Oh, perfect. Oh no, it hit the bat. It still got it. Oh, don't flip. Don't slip. All right, there we go. Yes, nice. Got the bear. All right, 8 prizes. I think we're gonna stop here and go on to a different machine. This blue bear is super gettable, so I think I can win him. Oh yeah, first try. Nice. First try on this machine, I mean. Ooh, good spin, yes. Oh, this claw is strong. You can tell the difference between this one and that one. It'll really pick up better. Let's go for him. Oh, 2-in-1. It's gonna be a 2-in-9. Oh, by the arm. No way. Oh, that was so lucky. It was 2-in-1 to 2-to-1. Might take a couple tries to get it, but see if I can knock it down. I might grab it still. Oh, see, knocked it down. Exactly what you want to do. He doesn't slip out of the claw. Perfect spin. Oh, 2-in-1? No, it's not gonna hold on. 2-to-1. Lots of 2-to-1s. That's a pretty good grip right there, so. Oh, wow. That was bad. I don't really want to play that much. See if I can win. Oh no. Still might get behind him. Oh. No. Yeah, I'll try one more. You should have him. Oh, how did you slip out? Better be getting this guy. No, don't do that. Missed him again. Oh. Yeah, I'm done with him. Then hit the prize chute. Okay. Yes, got it. Perfect. Don't fall. Oh no! Didn't even open up. You got my get it. Yes, stay. Don't drop it, please. I think it's... Oh, yes, got it. A winner! Usually don't get machines like that. A winner! No. Will I get it? Oh, I got in 2. Oh, 2 and 1. Stay. Please stay. Yes, 2 and 1. He almost didn't. Oh, didn't say a winner. Yes. Got this bracelet. Probably made out of like real gold. I can sell for $1 million. Got this piece of crap. Nice. Yes. Yes. Nice.
Why are you filming it?
What? Oh no, it got stuck on the claw. What? Oh, I got a YouTube channel about these things. Oh my gosh, it got stuck. Oh my gosh.
You're gonna have to cough.
I didn't really see it much because that kid was there, but... See if I can get this thing first try. Ooh, perfect. I think it's... I hope it doesn't shake out. Ooh, oh yes. 2 in a row. Actually, 3 in a row. Counting it 2 in... See if that'll get it. Ooh, good spin. Oh no. See, it's too flat. It needs to be up a little bit more for me to actually grab it. Maybe this gold one. Oh no. Oh, I don't know if it's gettable. We'll try. Who knows, maybe I'll get it. Oh yeah, nice. Don't drop, don't drop. Nice, got the chain. Alright, this claw is pretty easy to get. This one even like tilts too, which is really weird. Oh, gravel needs to be a little bit higher so the claws have a chance to get under it more. Oh, dang. Stay. Yes. Staring right at me. Yes, got it. Oh, nice. Oh, 2 in 1. Nice. 2 at once. Stay, stay. Yeah. Now I got 1. Oh. Stay. Nice, got him. Yes. birds for him. Ah, nice. 2 in a row. Actually, I think this is a 3 in a row. Ooh. Oh. I think that's him out. Oh, yes, barely hit the other. Nice. Got him. No! Hate this call. What's up, guys? I'm gonna count up my prizes I won at Dave & Buster's, but first off, another free Angry Bird. Yes, thank you guys for getting me to 800 subscribers this time. I'm gonna do one once I get 900 too, and remember, something big is coming on 1,000 subscribers. So tell all your friends, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, you might win this free Angry Bird. All you have to do is subscribe. That's it. So if you're already subscribed, you're already entered. So, yep, that's all I want to say for this, and time to count our prizes. Bear, 1. Panther, 2. Bear, 3. Falcons, 4. Duck, quack, 5. Colts bear, 6. Nuggets bear again, 7. Fish, 8. Lobster, 9. Pink bear, 10. Tiger, 11. Bear, 12. Dalmatian, 13. Pink bear, 14. Elephant, 15. Cleveland guy, 16. And jewelry, this thing, 17, dragon thing. Peace sign, 18. Another peace sign, 19. Golden necklace, 20. Necklace again, 21. This watch, 22. And 1 second. Also won this bracelet, 23. Actually, I think I had one more win. I think I counted 24, so I might have been missing one. But besides that, thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button for the free Angry Bird giveaway, and see you next time.